We brought receipts.
So you guys have some colored. You're gonna have some colored pencils for your shield, okay? And it's really easy to color pencil poorly. So I'm gonna show you a couple ways you can do this. All right. So on the back of your shield, okay, on the back of that paper, that's going to be some test paper. You're going to be practicing these techniques. So first of all, when you use a colored pencil, if you're doing like a little spot, okay, that's like, you know, if you're doing like a leaf or something, okay, anybody can do that. But if you're doing a bigger area, you don't want to hold your colored pencil like this. You want to hold it in the palm of your hand, okay, and then you put your thumb on it, and then you flip your hand over, and then you put your finger in the front, and then you're going to use the side of the colored pencil. Now, you'll notice that my colored pencil is sharp, because if you have a dull colored pencil, then this doesn't work because you end up scratching your paper. So you want to start lightly and build your value up, okay? And let's just do a graded value, okay? So this is going from kind of darker to kind of lighter. All right, so then I think I'm gonna shift which way I'm coloring. So now I'm gonna put another layer on here and just build up my color. And I'm kind of turning my pencil as I go just to make sure that I'm not scratching my paper with the wood of the pencil, okay? So I think maybe I'll turn it a different direction now and build up a little bit more. Intensify my color, because a lot of people, when they use colored pencil, they never push hard enough on it and they don't really get any range of value on it. It's just a light value. Okay, so getting it a little bit darker. Let's turn it again. And do you think I need to sharpen? Let's sharpen this. Let's make sure we got this thing sharpened. Okay, so I got my little tray, got my little sharpener. All right, let's do another layer here. So now I'm really gonna push in, really get that nice rich value. And then as I go to the other side, I'm gonna get lighter, lighter, lighter. Okay, so that is just a basic grade 8 value, grading from dark to medium to light, okay? Then if I wanna blend my colored pencils, it's gonna be kind of the same. I'm going to start with a light value, like this, okay? And then I'm going to get a different color, and if I use colors that are side by side on the color wheel, they're going to want to mix really nice. So like red lives next to purple on the color wheel, so they're going to want to mix. Okay, so let's turn it a little. Kind of blend. All right, kind of work that color in a little more so it's not just on the light, light, light. We want it to get to that medium color. All right, so now you can see my colors are mixing. Okay, so those are two different techniques you can use on your project. And if you have like a big space, you want to be using these. Obviously if you have a little space, anybody can do that, but the bigger spaces are the trickier places, okay? Now let's look at what not to do. So what it shouldn't look like is this, okay? That's not what I just showed. The last technique I want to introduce you to is when you take a white colored pencil and you go over a color, especially when it's a darker color. It's going to blend that color and make it look a little richer and creamier. And this is the third technique.